Before we delve into today's illuminating subject, make sure to click the subscribe button and activate the bell notification, ensuring you're always updated with our content. Now, let's set forth on an expedition to unleash the astounding potential of your mind. The incredible power of your mind is an endless vault of wonders, ready for discovery. It resembles a boundless, untapped expanse brimming with potential and opportunities. Unlocking your mind's immense strength enables you to accomplish whatever your heart truly desires. This journey begins with a mere shift in perspective. The importance of a positive attitude. To truly tap into your mind's capabilities, it's essential to maintain a positive frame of mind. Approaching life with optimism magnetizes positive vibes and chances your way. Consider your mind a beacon. It draws in what you concentrate on. Hence, adopt a positive stance and witness the transformation in your life. Mastering the art of envisioning. Visualization acts as a catalyst to realize your aspirations. By picturing your objectives with clarity and intensity, your mind perceives them as tangible. This perception intensifies your drive and ambition, steering you to triumph. Always remember, if it's conceivable in your thoughts, it's achievable in reality. Mastering affirmations. Think of affirmations as gentle whispers to your psyche. Continuously echoing optimistic affirmations reshapes your subconscious towards victory. Initiate every day with affirmations aligned with your objectives and observe the transition from skepticism to assurance. The influence of your circle. The company you keep significantly shapes your mindset. Associating with pessimistic individuals can stifle your progress. Hence, select your associates discerningly, gravitating towards those who elevate and motivate you. Your mind will be grateful. The power of belief. Confidence underpins every monumental human accomplishment. With a staunch belief in your potential and the prospects of success, no challenge is insurmountable. Foster an unwavering trust in your abilities and aspirations, and see your mind synchronize with your ambitions. Seeing failures as stepping stones. Failure isn't a conclusion, it's a bridge to success. By extracting lessons from our setbacks, we gather priceless wisdom and resilience. Condition your mind to perceive failures as growth catalysts and evolution opportunities. The importance of dedication and tenacity. The magic formula for accomplishment lies in dedication and relentless effort. By being unwavering in your pursuit and continually forging ahead, your mindset molds to the rhythm of achievement. Remember, success isn't about speed but sustained commitment. Valuing self-nurturing. Prioritize mental and emotional rejuvenation. Practices like meditation, yoga, and mindfulness are soul-nourishing essentials. Carve out moments for personal reflection and grounding. A nurtured mind is an empowered one. Gratitude. The mindset revolutionizer. Adopting a grateful mindset is transformative. By cherishing your blessings, your perspective pivots from scarcity to abundance. Initiate a daily ritual of penning down gratitudes to rewire your mental orientation towards positivity. The profound impact of thankfulness. Gratitude, an unassuming yet impactful habit, is the gateway to your mind's boundless capabilities. It's a potent potion that remarkably reshapes one's existence. Actively practicing gratitude reorients your gaze from deficits to assets. This nuanced shift radiates positivity throughout your life's fabric. Gratitude operates like a beacon, pulling in more of the cherished aspects of life. Expressing appreciation for life's gifts, be it people or moments, broadcasts a resonant message to the cosmos. This message conveys, I'm receptive to this bountiful flow, and the cosmos reciprocates generously. Start your day with gratitude. Before your day unfolds, reflect on 3 blessings. They might be as mundane as the comfort of your bed, the morning melodies of birds, or familial affection. Recognizing these daily joys sets an upbeat rhythm for the day ahead, and as daylight progresses, stay attuned to the myriad moments worthy of gratitude, whether it's a colleague's camaraderie, a sumptuous meal, or the evening's serene beauty. Pause, relish, and acknowledge these instances. Maintain a gratitude diary. Every evening, note down 3 aspects you're appreciative of. This ritual not only anchors positive memories, but also encourages an optimistic reflection of your day. Gratitude possesses the potency to redirect your attention from issues to potential solutions. When confronting obstacles rather than fixating on the negatives, contemplate the lessons and silver linings. Acknowledge others' roles in your life. Expressing your gratitude not only uplifts them, but also amplifies your own gratitude levels. This nurtures bonds and enhances interpersonal ties, establishing a virtuous cycle of affection and thankfulness. Gratitude stands as a potent remedy against emotions like resentment and jealousy. In moments of emotional turmoil, pause to consider a reason for gratitude. Such positive reflections can dispel negative feelings. Mastering. The art of letting go. Among the most empowering realizations is mastering the act of letting go. It involves detaching from results, individuals, or circumstances that don't align with your true purpose. By liberating from these confines, you usher in profound tranquility and joy. Attachments act like ropes, tying you to certain hopes or anticipations. They often lead to pain, as unexpected outcomes induce sorrow, agitation, and sometimes hopelessness. Releasing these bonds means stepping away from rigid expectations and letting events progress organically. Begin by introspecting on your ties. What's gripping your soul? Maybe it's an aspirational role, a longing for acknowledgement, or a life vision. Recognize these binds and admit their distressing influence. Engage in mindful practices to detect when such attachments manifest. If you find yourself tenaciously holding on, breathe deeply and reassure yourself of the beauty in release. Believe in the cosmic design. Occasionally, our longings might not cater to our ultimate evolution. Embrace the essence of yielding. Yielding isn't about conceding, but about navigating life unobstructedly, anchored in faith and openness. This often results in outcomes surpassing our initial hopes. Let go of bygone grudges. Retaining past wounds is a hefty emotional toll. In forgiving, you aren't endorsing misdeeds, but liberating from the shackles of bitterness and pain. It's a significant gesture of release. Employ gratitude as a release mechanism. By cherishing blessings, you instinctively distance from unfulfilled desires. Gratitude reframes your view from want to wealth, tempering the yearn for more. Understand release as a perpetual journey, not a singular act. Life keeps presenting fresh challenges and ties. In each scenario, remember the liberation in letting go and savor the transformative journey of release. The essence of inner guidance. Deep within everyone is a reservoir of insight known as intuition. This internal compass, be it a subtle nudge or a deep-rooted feeling, aids us in decision-making and charting our life's course. Engaging with your intuitive side can be instrumental in maneuvering life's intricacies and discovering your genuine direction. Intuition often communicates subtly, easily overshadowed by life's clamor. For a clearer connection, immerse yourself in moments of quietude and reflection. Activities like meditation, being mindful, or immersing in nature amplify this inner voice. Heed your body's signals. When contemplating decisions, notice your physical reactions. Are they indicating harmony or signaling unease? Often, our body mirrors our intuitive inklings. Maintain an intuitive diary. Documenting your feelings, aspirations, and intuitive sparks can reveal recurring themes and insights, giving a voice to these gentle nudges. Exercise discernment. Recognize that not all internal dialogues stem from intuition. At times, apprehensions, pride, or external pressures might muddle genuine intuitive insights. By deeply knowing yourself, your principles, aspirations, and apprehensions, you can differentiate between intuition and mere thought noise. Embrace intuition's unique rhythm. Unlike logical reasoning, intuition has its own cadence, often out of step with our plans or external timelines. Trust that your intuitive guidance will emerge precisely when needed. Extend grace to yourself. Fostering a deep bond with your intuition demands time and patience. If intuitive insights seem elusive, stay persistent, believing that with continued effort, your intuition will emerge as an unwavering ally in your life's journey. The importance of being present. Being present means fully immersing yourself in the immediate moment, relinquishing concerns of the past or anxieties about the future, and simply existing in the now. Embracing this state can profoundly alter your life's perception, elevating your overall sense of peace and joy. Begin with meditative mindfulness. This technique disciplines your mind to remain in the moment. In a serene space, settle down, concentrate on your breathing, and when distractions arise, gently refocus on your breath. Over time, this will enhance your ability to remain present in daily routines. Dive into tasks that demand undivided focus, like art, music, or even mundane chores. Fully engaging in these tasks not only boosts your presence, but also amplifies the pleasure in daily deeds. Taking regular breaks, even short ones, can also rejuvenate your mind and enhance your focus. Minimize technological interferences. The lure of phones and the digital world often detracts from genuine experiences. Dedicate specific times for digital checks, allocating the rest for authentic, real-world engagements. Ground yourself in the now through gratitude. Daily, pause to acknowledge something you cherish. This act not only anchors you in the present, but also diverts you from dwelling on past regrets or future stresses. Ensure complete presence in dialogues. When conversing, truly listen without pre-planning your responses. This heightens your relationships and solidifies your presence. Avoid juggling multiple tasks. Overloading can dilute your presence in each activity. Prioritize singular tasks for increased productivity and fulfillment. Be attuned to your mental and emotional states. If you find your thoughts drifting to times gone by or yet to come, gently steer them back. Witness emotions without bias, letting them ebb and flow uninhibitedly. Remember, presence isn't a one-time achievement but an ongoing endeavor. As you refine this skill, you'll discover life takes on a richer hue, punctuated with moments of profound bonding and bliss. The journey of self-exploration. Delving into self-discovery is a profound quest into your genuine essence, values, and life's purpose. It constitutes an inner journey fostering heightened self-awareness, personal development, and contentment. Setting foot on this path manifests as a bold and transformative undertaking. Commence with introspection. Dedicate regular moments to contemplate your existence, principles, and aspirations. Journaling emerges as a potent instrument for self-discovery, allowing for a thorough exploration of your thoughts and sentiments. Seek out experiences that test your limits and stretch your boundaries. Often, it is amidst discomfort and uncertainty that profound self-revelations occur. Embrace these opportunities for personal growth and self-unveiling. Cultivate self-compassion. Extend gentleness towards yourself as you navigate your inner landscape. Self-discovery can elicit challenging emotions and unveil truths. Treat yourself with benevolence and empathy on this exploratory voyage. Engage in meaningful dialogues with others. Sharing your musings, emotions, and encounters with trusted confidants or a therapist can yield valuable insights and bolster your journey of self-discovery. Immerse yourself in literature and seek out resources that ignite your inner exploration. A treasure trove of wisdom awaits from spiritual guides, psychologists, and philosophers, all poised to guide your way. Meditation and mindfulness practices can deepen your self-awareness, enabling you to witness your thoughts and emotions without attachment, thus gaining clarity about your mental patterns and inclinations. Embrace solitude. Solitary moments can serve as a potent conduit to connect with your innermost self. It is in these serene interludes that the whispers of your soul become audible, offering clarity about your profound desires. Be open to change. Self-discovery frequently culminates in personal growth and transformation. Display willingness to relinquish outdated beliefs, habits, and patterns that no longer align with your authentic self as you uncover it. Bear in mind that self-discovery constitutes a lifelong odyssey. There is no ultimate destination, only an ongoing journey of development and self-awareness. As you delve deeper into your inner realm, you will unveil strata of your genuine self, paving the path to a more fulfilling and enriched existence. The allure of imperfection. Imperfection, a natural and exquisite facet of the human journey, serves as a poignant reminder of our unique and flawed natures. Embracing imperfection unveils a pathway to enhanced self-acceptance and more authentic connections with others. Release the relentless pursuit of perfection, which often results in anxiety and discontentment. Instead, aspire to excellence and personal growth, recognizing that mistakes and imperfections are integral to the process of learning and development. Cultivate self-compassion. When you err or fall short of personal expectations, extend to yourself the same kindness and understanding reserved for a dear friend. Self-compassion enables you to acknowledge your imperfections without self-censure. Acknowledge that your imperfections define your distinctiveness. Your quirks, blemishes, and idiosyncrasies distinguish you from others and contribute to your individual charm. Commemorate your accomplishments, however modest they may seem. It is easy to fixate on deficiencies or imperfections, but taking time to recognize your achievements can elevate your self-esteem and self-value. Be receptive to vulnerability. Revealing your imperfections to others can deepen connections and relationships. It is in moments of vulnerability that we often establish more profound, genuine bonds. Embrace the imperfections of others. Just as you possess your own flaws, those in your midst do too. Demonstrating acceptance and empathy toward the imperfections of others can foster more harmonious relationships. Transform setbacks into opportunities for growth. When confronted with challenges or failures, regard them as valuable lessons rather than indications of your inadequacy. Imperfections serve as stepping stones on the journey of self-improvement. Keep in mind that imperfection infuses life with intrigue and beauty. Were everything flawless and predictable, life would lack depth and complexity. Imperfections bestow character and nuance upon our experiences, rendering them all the more captivating and captivating. Dear friends, persuading your mind to adopt this transformative perspective can unveil a realm of boundless potential. Keep in mind that your mind stands as your most invaluable asset throughout your spiritual odyssey. Nurture optimism, hone the art of visualization, employ affirmations, select your companions judiciously, trust in your inner strength, welcome setbacks, maintain unwavering determination, prioritize self-nurturing, and cultivate gratitude. In doing so, you shall behold the enchantment of your mind in action, guiding you toward the realization of any aspiration you wholeheartedly pursue.